A2O were the principal contractor and had design responsibility for the replacement cladding. But we understand that we only know what we know. So it was important that we brought in a trusted set of design consultants to work with us on this scheme and an independent facade consultant to check all of our design. We're also acting as the specialist facade contractor on the project with a 9-person in-house design team, which allows us to engage early, provide specialist knowledge, direct cost advice, and ultimately shortens all of the communication paths.